Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clear your search history on Expedia. If you've been browsing through various destinations and your recent searches are cluttering up your experience, this quick guide will help you clean things up and keep your search suggestions relevant. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in, as this is where your search history is stored and managed. Now that you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Stays. This is where you'll find options related to hotel bookings and accommodations. After clicking Stays, navigate to the Where to field and click on it. This will open up a drop-down showing you all your recent searches for accommodations. You'll see a list of destinations and locations you've previously searched for. Here's where the magic happens. Hover your mouse over the search entry you want to remove. Right beside each search, you'll notice a small X button. Click that X to delete the specific search from your history. You can repeat this process for any other searches you want to clear from the list. This helps keep your search suggestions clean and focused on what you're actually interested in. Alternatively, if you want to clear your flight search history instead, the process is just as simple. Click on Flights in the top menu, then navigate to the Leaving From field and click on it. Just like with the Stays section, you'll see all your recent flight searches displayed in a drop-down list. Again, hover your mouse over the search you want to clear. Right beside it, you'll find the same X button. Click it to delete that particular search from your history. You can go through and remove as many entries as you need, giving you a fresh start for your next travel planning session. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your search history on Expedia, whether it's for stays or flights. This simple cleanup keeps your search experience streamlined and makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for on your next visit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.